Hello and welcome to Console Accessories, and on today's video we're going to be looking at this. This is the Final Fantasy VII Remake Deluxe Edition. A couple of patches. Now I got this from Game UK. I actually ordered on Wednesday last week and it's turned up today, some 5 days later. And it's not out till Friday, but Game was sending it out early because Friday is a bank holiday, so you might most likely get it Thursday, but I'm pretty sure if you wanted this, you can order it and still get it before the date, because this came 24 hour tracked, so it came pretty much next day. It cost £80 from Game, and I believe they can only buy this version from Game, because I'm not quite sure of what editions come with which, because there's loads of different editions, but have a look. Okay, first up, there's going to be no spoilers. I'm not going to do any of the game. Obviously can't play the game because I'm not actually opened it yet, so I'm not going to show any gameplay or anything like that, so you don't need to worry about that. I'm just going to show you what you get in the deluxe edition if you decide to buy it. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new around here, really appreciate it. Okay, so let's take a look. So we might as well start off with looking at these then. You get a couple of patches with this. So you get an avalanche patch. I mean, it's a few inches wide, and then this patch is a little bit bigger. It's the Sam's Delivery Service Chocobo patch. And then here, this is the beast. Look at it. And I'll be honest with you, it's quite heavy. Now, I wouldn't normally do this, but I might as well, because I wanted to just to show you how substantial it actually is. Look at that, over ½ kilogram. Okay, so it's got some good stuff in it. Really, really good. Really liking it. Really nice box. Okay, so on the front is the logo. It's raised up as well, so that feels really good. And then on the sides just says Final Fantasy VII Remake, and I assume it says it on there. Yeah, it says it on the other side. And then on the back, it tells you all the bits and bobs that you get with it, and we'll go through those in a second. A few screenshots, everything you need. Yep, you need 100 gigabyte minimum on this. That's a lot, especially if you're rocking a 500 gigabyte PS4. I've got a Pro, fortunately, that's got a terabyte in it, but even so, that's still going to take a chunk on. I'm going to be probably deleting some games. Okay, so all this, you can play it on remote play supported, so you can play it on your Vita. Okay, so let's get this open, shall we? Open it from the top. There we go, look at this little lot. Okay, first up, this is the steel case. Sephiroth on the front there, Final Fantasy VII Remake on the side. Open it up. Cloud and a bit of Midgar there, lovely. Okay, you can put your game in that if you want to, but it's just a nice little extra, isn't it? Love it. We'll go in the art book in a second. Here's the actual game itself, and I believe if we get this open, okay, yeah, look, it's on 2 discs, as we already knew that. Some extra little bits here. And if we take this out, it's got a reversible cover. So if you like that one, great. If not, flip it over and you've got that one. It's a bit odd that it's over the side there. You'd thought that would have been in the middle, wouldn't you? Anyway, or if you did it like that, you could just put it in the steel case. But as we knew, 2 discs, whopper of a game. And then under here we have the mini soundtrack. It's a full-size disc, but I guess it's just mini, and it has on it Prelude, Tifa's theme, Shinra's theme, Scorpion Sentinel, On Our Way, the Turks theme, Let the Battles Begin, Flowers Blooming in the Church, Hurry, main theme of Final Fantasy VII, Lay Down Some Rubber, and Stand Up. Okay, great. And here we go. This is what I was after, the deluxe edition art book. So it's about A5 sized, cardboard, nice thick cardboard, and the pages feel quality. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to flick through it, okay, and go a few pages in, and I won't talk over it. So if you're getting this and you don't want to see what's inside the book, then skip else I'm just going to flick through now. Okay, so I don't want to spoil anything if you want to save this for when you get it. Okay, but if you want to see what's inside it, carry on watching. There we have it. 64 pages. I am super impressed by this book. It just feels quality. The pages have got that lovely kind of almost plasticky feel to them. Not like kind of this almost like coated paper. I don't know what the actual material is, but it's obviously paper, but I don't know what's happened to it. But it's beautiful. It's really good. I'm really impressed with this book. So there we go. It's all yours for £70 if you look on Game in the UK. I'm not sure if they do a similar version in the US. I know they get a Game, and if you did want to pre-order it, if you pre-order it, I'm fairly sure you'll get it before, well, it'll be Thursday that you get it, so I'm pretty sure you'll get it before Thursday. You get this, like I say, in the steel case, the CD, the 2 sew-on patches, the reversible cover, and then the all-important Game, all boxed up in that. Absolutely lovely. Okay, I won't take up any more of your time because I'm off to go and play Final Fantasy VII. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the game. It's getting good reviews because they just came out about an hour ago. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe if you're new around here. I'd really appreciate it. Stay safe, look after each other. Until the next video. Bye bye.